As promised, legends, welcome to the Coca-Cola grind. Pulling up to my first stop, about to pull this pallet off. Is this one here. A little bit of stuff, not too much. Probably take me about 20 minutes right here.
Guys, inside this first cooler. Turn this around so you guys can see what we're doing.
We'll get started on this. This is my first time ever doing these vlog style route. Bear with me, ladies and gentlemen. Try to move as fast as I can because one pallet. Turn this around for you guys so you can see it again. Right there, the single pallet. Same store. This time, they opened up on time. We'll see you inside the cooler. Quick update from the Coke truck in Ogden. Bitcoin bounced hard today, up to around 69K after dipping scary lows yesterday. How are you feeling today? Yesterday was rough, extreme fear, red charts, a lot of doubt creeping in. I know some of you noobs are feeling shaken, maybe wondering if it's over, if you should have sold. I'm gonna tell you, don't sell, keep stacking. The real question is, guys, how are you feeling about Bitcoin's price right now? Pumped on this bounce? Still cautious? Buying more dips? Or holding tight? Drop it, honest in the comments. No shade, just vibes. Let's talk it out and stay strong together, guys. Comment your feelings. Am I stacking? Sub for route updates and motivation. You guys ask what we do at Coke here? Go to these C stores, gas stations, and Walgreens today and deliver the product. I'm gonna break down what I do, so stick with me here. I'm gonna show you what I do when I'm down stacking, when I take it into the cooler, how much of this product do I actually throw inside the cooler? Am I throwing all the product? I'll see you in the video after this. Not too bad, guys. Typically, I'd fill everything here. There's not much to fill. These stores don't want us to open unless we have a full case that needs to be filled. 7 o'clock this morning, guys. Already grinding. 3 down, 3 to go. My next stop, little Walmart. The store next door. Take both of these pallets off at the same time, knock it out in about 45 minutes. Had a lot of questions about what I do on this Coke route. I'm in the middle of filming a long form videos so you guys can see exactly the daily grind here at Coke. What pushes me to keep grinding? Obviously Bitcoin, because my channel is based around Bitcoin. I will update you guys throughout the video, meaning the long form video today. Stick around.